Algebra 2 worksheet 4.6 number 17. This is working with a system of equations, which is concept 4. And the problem asks us to create a system of two equations that has a solution of 4, -3. So we know the x, they're telling us right off the bat, the x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is -3. To create the equations, you can create literally any equation that you wanted to. But what you should start with is what you have in front of the x and the y's. And on this other problem previously, I did all this work. I got to this. This is kind of what you want it to look like. You want it to be an x and y together, and that's going to make it easiest to create these equations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just choose any random value in front of x. Let's say a -4x. And then I'm going to choose any random value for y, plus y equals. Now in the second equation, any random value for x, let's say, I don't know, 6x, plus any value for y, 2y equals. Notice what I'm leaving out. I'm leaving out this stuff on the end. Now I'll be able to fill that in because, again, they told us this was our solution. So to get this, all I have to do with this is plug it in. -4 instead of x, that becomes 4. Plus, instead of y, that becomes -3. On this side, I have 6x. 6 times 4 plus 2 times -3. -4 times 4 is -16 plus -3, which is -19. So this first equation is -4x plus y equals -19. On this side, I've got 6 times 4 is 24, plus 2 times -3 is -6. 24 plus -6 is +18, so now I've got +18 there. There's my two equations. Now again, you could choose literally any numbers to go in front of these x's and y's as long as you leave the constant number blank. Leave that to the very end and get that by plugging in the answer they gave you for x and y in this case.